Music. Dancehall music especially. You know our culture, brother. Where we stand on. I realize them young youth are the young generation. I nah hear the man sing about certain thing, dog. When last year artists sing about yo, nah, I'm not front and anything. Not even not say yo, nah, for no body and anything no more, dog.
Let me tell you now.
Mumbo club, get on.
The man them
Get on, Russell. Get on, Russell.
let me tell you, I have a theory say the man them don't want to lose the cat fan them. You get me in a sense that alright. So let me show you how to do. If say like somebody make a post, right? A TikTok or something like that, and I go on there and I say, yo, I go under the post and say, yo, you know, say me not, you know, say me not name front door and blah blah blah. There's people who go against me and saying a big 2024 blah 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 blah. You see me? So the artists them know. Them no want sing against in them song cause them no want lose. So them afraid to stand up for what them believe in. I mean, because we can't swear for them neither, you know. Because I know if they believe in it and that. But what may I say is the man them so afraid because would I want imagine say and all of them would I do it. But I feel like the man them just no want to sing against it again because they feel like they would lose them probably female listeners, you see me? That's just the only thing we can think of, you see me? Unless well I'm on them just go start embrace a lifestyle. That's the only thing we can think so they don't want to lose. Cause right now if you go up on Twitter and say yo man a bad man, man, nah, I'm not front. People gonna say, yo, big idiot boy, that 2024 that. You see me? Me just imagine say if a man come out with a song and a DJ say, yo, you don't know we still not eat the buff. Best have a feeling say might say, boy, I might get some backlash about that, you know. Where back in the day, that we want to hear you say. You see me?
Brother,
so
the last artist me hear mention nothing about them thing there, a squash.
Yes.
Squash alone,
yes.
That's why I read squash too, you know. Him go out, him sing something, brother, I want to hear more what. A squash alone, yes. I carry the flag, brother.
You're right.
Me hear him burn out fish, I'm hear him burn out eat in front. Lifestyle.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
a real talk, cause I remember Squash have a mixtape, and that was one of the first lines in that song. You see me? Him say, yo, don't want a pussy in her face or something like that.
Yeah.
That was one of the first line in that song. Now that I remember it, you're right. Squash are the last out of the newer artists them.
Yeah.
If you sing out against it, know that you bring it up.
Yeah. The man them shake it, dog. Not me hear none of them man them mention it, brother. None of the man them mention it, brother.
None of them new artists, they not, you see me?
None of them man them da right. Kartel have one of the biggest Bowcat song them. Burn out Bowcat. I'm one of my favorite songs that dog. Me have to listen to the whole song.
Which one that? Cause
Stop going like you tough. Woman a beat your jersey a cruff. That one day. When you see me I say, one of the bush master make all it Machiavelli. You know the song there?
Yeah.
Our baddest Kartel song that last Kartel baddest song that him ever do. In a minute.
Alright, you know which one I Kartel song them really rate all yesterday me I drive up and me I listen it. When he remix the Lil Wayne song.
Lick it like a lollipop.
Yeah,
The one
he said never you lick it. Yo,
dog.
He said I wish niggas had a brain like mine. Yo, that tough.
Don't that show you back then. Every man have a bun out a Bowcat song.
Yeah, because
every man dog. One artist must have a line in it or something.
No, remember say I doing that I've said why you look so jolly with your mouth and all them thing there.
Every man have a line. Because
to me all the busy song when you say we not going down.
Yeah.
Yo. Dog. Yeah, meditate. Yeah, them boy nah
really. Them boy, the man not even sing against Batman no more, brother. We can't get that car matter of all them want visa. Then burn out some Bowcat them.
Yeah, let me tell you something. This is a fool she said about them one visa or something like that, yo. Me not agree with that because you still can burn it out. You not fi say boom bye bye like Butcher back in the day, but you can still drop 2 lines to make we know say you see me, cause our lyrics, you know, sometimes you have to encrypt the lyrics, you see me? And then not do that, then just like totally disregard it, you see me?
And that make we Jamaican bro, that me talk about that the man them want be Yankee so much dog.
Yeah, the man them not really stick to the culture where we grow to.
Yeah, cause when you go around Yankee, you must say Yankee bridging them. Dog, let me ask you a question. Why Jamaicans don't eat pom pom? You see me, I say, dog, big man thing right now. Jamaican, the man them, most of the man them name pom pom, but I can't tell you why me no name pom pom.
That's exactly what I said too. You see me, when they must say, yo, I heard Jamaicans don't do it. I said, dog, I can't talk for all like Jamaican them, you know, but you see this a man you know, because I tell you why me not do it, you know.
Yeah, I have to tell the man them straight, dog. So, yo, brother, right now, bro, because I do whole of yard man them name front, brother.
Because especially when you're just out around in the street, somebody go ask you, and you have to tell them, say, dog, is it whatever, you know what they love to tell you? Oh, but I know this other Jamaican guy.
Yes. I all the time, bro.
I say, bless you at him, you know what I mean? Anyway, him there, big him up. Go find him back. No, but yeah, the music, stray away from it. You know what I mean?
I miss it, dog. I miss it. I'm not like I miss it.
Yeah, me not really. Cause even when they, cause you know, say them they say Elephant Man do it. But even Elephant Man have no song where man talk about him not do it, you know.
Yeah.
Is it me so?
Every man, even if the man them do it, the man them still make a song about it, dog. You see me?
Ellie they have enough for money out. Cape Town.
Yeah, Elephant Man I say yo, you know, I'm gonna start a challenge. I know about it. Someone of them challenge, cause from what him see, man, I make some challenge, dog. I make a challenge, man. Ellie have a song I'm rate, man, dog. I say. You must say, yo, thumb the sky, keeping it jiggy. And bad man live no freaky life. Let me tell you this one more time. Bad man I do 69. I can't go see dog in this paper of mine.
Yo, me I listen to mix this and the man say, me a kid I say, yo, order some boy where eat at them 2-foot restaurant. I'm like, yo, that mother is so bad dog, yo.
Yeah, man.
Now that you're talking about them, I miss the vibe, the free.
I miss them, brother, I miss them time.
Can I say, order some boy with them 2-foot restaurant? Dog, yo, when me hear that, anytime me hear that, dog, that kill me, dog, I say, dog, that's so creative to even say, dog.
Even Beenie Man and Beenie Man and Kartel do the song? No, Beenie Man alone. From a fuck, but it will like a pilot. I'm on the I'm a suck pussy, my friend.
Dog. And this song that is shutting
bad, brother.
And this song that used to run the dance.
Bro, a man bow him still a fire shot. When last year your selector say, all of them and them know them no bow.
Put on that, dog.
Dog, the selector them lose it, brother.
I tell them, man, yo.
The man them lose
that
it,
whole
dog.
vibe they got out that culture.
Man, I tell you, bro, that was a vibe, bro. Man, nah, like, that was a, them have a segment where the man them just a burn out that, dog. You don't know, them still have the segment when them burn out Batman in the dog, but it come like that fade out too. You hardly hear a selector burn out Batman these days, dog.
I can't tell when last me I listen one mixer here, like, you know, the recording of one mixer there, one dance, and them I bring that up. It's like, never said just completely come erase, dog. Like, so, you know, when them they have Men in Black and Will Smith comes out with something. Yeah, when they go like that, erase out that people, them memories, like that we forward from, that we grew up and listen. You see me? That's what I say, Jamaica change over the last, well, yeah, that's it, 10 year, 5 year.
I'm think.
Anywhere between 10 and 5.
2010. You still have, Mr. Kartel drop the song with Gaza Slim that did pick up a steam, man, you see me? And then, I don't know, Squash do a song, but them man them never really give it a run, cause come like the whole them time everybody freak out and eat out.
So like, even if a man drop a song about it,
yeah,
like,
them nah push it,
them nah go really push it, you see me?
The last song. And them still never give that a run neither, but when my father said, no freak run here, them never really give that a run neither,
yeah,
you see me?
I mean, I said, they must sell it out for whatever reason, cause I'm not gonna say all of them do it, you see me, but for whatever reason, them not gonna push a song them where I go against it. You see me? I don't know if them a try please a wider audience.
But me I think about it, if me I want Bowcat, brother, and me the man my born Bowcat, it not affect me, dog.
Yeah, cause you still got choke.
Yeah, sing a song, at the end of the day, song bad, brother.
Yeah, cause you know say boom bye bye. When that play up here, me see all people where the song is made again. Me see them a sing it.
Yeah.
You see me? I've seen gay people where they on social media say, yo, the song bad. We know say I meet a bun out, but the song bad.
Yeah,
You see me so? Man, they can make them songs same way, but me no know.
Dog, you see.
I can't tell why
yeah,
the man them. Me don't know if girl have secret for them, man.
Yeah, that man,
they can't sing it.
You see, if Kartel no do a bun out bow cat song or a Batman song, me I go pre. I pre Kartel.
I feel like
me know
him probably not go burn out the fish them. Cause right now, me know. Him a go do a song with him a go, you know, against the cat them. I feel like him a go leave the fish thing alone.
I want Kartel bring back the thing that dog. You know, try make a hot song where Selector for play the party, bro. So I'm gonna have to talk, you know, intro the song the way the dog. You see me? I know enough for the Selector them ethos and freak out, bro.
It a bad still. It a bad still if him do it and it slap the real way.
Yeah, that.
You know, say if a song slap the real way, all the Selector them where did that go all like them don't want to play the vibe that again them affair. You see me? They want them like money pull up or whatever.
Yeah.
Them gonna go back in it. So we will see. You see me? Because you don't know 2025 him gonna have a whole year for the whole heap of writing.
True.
You see me?
Even you must hear this, dog. The Maca Diamond and the Fish Youth do a song.
Fish Youth, that?
The Faggot Youth, man. His name is Derek.
Derek Morgan.
Yeah, him, yeah.
You know, I know that dog there. But the only reason why I know the name is that through them trouble one youth type ball field.
Oh, I call him Derek Morgan.
Because they say look like him, but I don't know. So wait, what
she do a song with him. She put him on a song. And everybody has said the song bad. But I said to myself, say, yo, if the song...
Wait, how long it come on? Just come on?
It recent, man. I don't know, it's kind of fresh. It dep on the rhythm, at the Fiesta rhythm.
Yeah.
He pon the rhythm there. And everybody has said, oh, the youth them one, DJ Mac. Or him authorize it and rare.
That way I want to know. Cause why would he do that?
But I don't know that. But just I say, if a Selector play all the song, the brother, if you get big stone,
well, that's a good thing. Me never hear playing away.
Yeah.
You see me? Me didn't even know the song, but that goes to show you, say, yo.
I was on them YouTube songs for people who like it, you know?
I wonder if Maca try use that demographic there. Try bust Maca think. I remember some Maca try find something all along, you know. So.
Like that, man. I must that, man. You see it? But yeah, man, I know. I want certain things back in the music, dog. You see it? Do back a vibe, cause that them thing that to make the music just...
Yeah, that's why. And let me tell you, so them thing they did have dancehall at a higher height still. You see me? Because no matter what, even the song them where they are burn out certain lifestyle, and them song they did that explode everywhere.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Cause even, you know, so today me I watch on random, if you watch a video where Bunny posts in the group, me go up on the brother the page and the brother is straight American. Randomly, me hear the man say, "Batty boy, fish," when him describe an next man. And me I say, people know Jamaica for that culture, you see me? If you burn out certain lifestyle, you see me? Cause, you see me? So, if the man they can bring that back, you see me?
That's good, man. I want to touch on one more topic. Yeah, one last topic. I think I want to touch on, yeah. I want to talk about.